Hi! Thank you for clicking on another one of my videos. I hope you like this look that I accomplished using drugstore products that's new out and new to me that I have not tried yet. Hope you like my pink here. And thank you so much. Keep on watching. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Brow Excessive Brow Pencil in dark brown. Morphe M421 brush and my Maybelline Age Rewind in caramel. For today's palette, we are using the new Wet n Wild Color Icon in, what shade this is? Heart and Soul. Taking this Morphe M505 brush. I'm going to take this, is it this shade? Yeah, this shade here. That is pigmented. So I just take the same M505 brush and I just start blending out the edges. Bring that in. And we're just going to diffuse this color. I am in love with this color. It is so pretty. I'm going to take this Morphe M506 brush and this brown. And we're just going to add some depth to the crease. Okay, taking our same concealer brush, well, the M421 brush that we use for our concealer, and some of our concealer. Okay, we're gonna spray our M167 brush. This is another Morphe with the Wet n Wild primer spray. And we're gonna go in with, I don't know what color I want to go in with. This one. So I rarely ever put on brow bone shadow, but I'm going to take this M507 brush and this color here. And we're going to put that on the brow. I'm going to line my eyes with this NYX Epic Liner. Did I shake it? Okay, we're going to prime our skin with the L'Oreal Magic Perfectum Base. I'm trying to find a brush, but I guess we handing it today. My skin was acting up, but it looks okay. Right. For foundation, we are going to try the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream Color Correct and Full Coverage Natural and Finish. It has a broad spectrum SPF sunscreen of 30, and this is in deep 540N. Now, I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna see. We gonna see. I'm gonna take this Morphe x Jaclyn Hill brush, JH, what did it say? 03, and we gonna see if it works. This is my shade. I ordered it offline on Ulta, so we gonna see. Oh, that is nice. It is so hard to find your foundation color online when you're ordering. But like, that just blends in so seamlessly. Like, I mean, for concealer, I'm going to take the J-Cat Stay Assurance Concealer in Sunkissed. All these things are ordered online at Ulta. It's my first time using them. Taking my e.l.f. sponge, I'm going to blend that concealer out. In the meantime, we're going to go in with the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer in Rich Ebony for my contour shade, because I'm going to take this Japanese brush and blend out my nose. Now, Japanese brushes you can find at Walmart and TJ Maxx. And at TJ Maxx, they will be cheaper than Walmart. Because, like, this brush was probably like $2.99. My nose contour. And for my face contour, I'm going to take this Morphe M36 brush. For more brightening, I have this e.l.f. Flawless Brightening Concealer in the shade 1041W. I hope I got a light enough color because I need some brightness. So I took this brightening concealer in these areas to give me some light to this face. I'm going to take my e.l.f. sponge again. I needed some brightness. I was going through it. Oh, yes. I am loving everything so far. I'm so excited. Now, to set my face, I have the J-Cat Aqua Assurance Compact Foundation in the shade Honey. I'm going to take this on this Morphe JH02. I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in 30 Medium Deep. dark like. Taking that same Morphe brush and dust away the excess. The excess. Excess? For a little bit more brightness, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder in Banana. I'm just going to leave that on for a while. Just let it sit there. Okay, with the same Morphe M536 brush, I'm going to take this Revolution Glow Splendor Matte Bronzer in Medium Dark. This is from Makeup Revolution. I am going to take this Morphe JH04 brush with this Morphe Glamour Bronze in Leader. And we are going to warm our skin. It's going to add a nice brown, warm biscuit to the skin. I'm going to take that same Japanese brush and this one from Makeup Revolution again. And we're going to snatch the nose. Honey. Humpty. Snatch that. What nose? Okay, we're going to press the rest of that powder in the skin. We're not adding any more powder, just that powder that was already sitting there. This is what the lash look like. Okay, so on my bottom lashes, I applied the Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer. And now I'm going to put on the Wet n Wild Bigger is Better Big Papa Mascara. That's what the brush looks like. I'm gonna apply the e.l.f. blush in Always Fiery. Always Fiery. With what brush? I'm gonna take the same brush, the JH04 brush. I thought I didn't have no new highlighters, but guess what? Sis got her Ipsy bag. Today we got Boom. So this is the Morphe High Impact Highlighter. So we have Boom and Lips. Now I'm thinking for Boom, we are going to put that in the inner tear duct with a small brush that I can find. I think this is e.l.f. Let's see. Yep, this is the e.l.f. Detailed Crease Brush. Because it has that pinky tone, that's why I'm using this one. That's right, 2021. All we want is blessings for everyone, right? Blessings up the flow like a river. That way I said for 2021. All we want is blessings. I'm going to take this in here. Why? I don't know. I just feel like making that a little brighter. Why not? Why not? I felt like I saw something happening and I wanted to go with it. I take this Morphe brush. This is the JH09. I'm gonna put this one on the face. Alright, this is making me happy right here. Now that is beautiful. Yeah. So we're gonna pair that brow pencil with the Wet n Wild Brow Sassy Brow Shaping Gel. And this has a tint. It's in brown. It's in brown. It's a nice little brush. I love Dexter Dubs, you know. I know y'all like never hear me speak. I am Jamaican. Okay, so we're gonna do the lips. I know I said I was gonna put my hair on, but I changed it up because I'm gonna use this NYX lip liner in, what color is this? Espresso. So for my lip color, I have the Wet n Wild Cloud Pout in Marshmallow Madness. That's what that looks like. And this smells really good. It smells like candy. So y'all guess what color wig I'm putting on yet? Like, on another note, my face feels excessively dry. So I'm going to spray the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. It's a whole vibe. Like, did you know I was going to put on a pink wig? Like, did you really? Did you really? Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I really and truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Keep on rocking with your girl. And I hope you liked it. And if you did like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you should have commented anyway, because you were supposed to get what color wig I was going to put on. So, hope you did that, because that was fun. Wasn't it not? Like, did you really think I was going to put on a pink wig? This wig is bright. Like, mad bright. I got this wig. I used to work in New York City, and in the financial district, and there's this beauty supply store that always hooked me up. That girl always hooked me up in that store. I always got all my wigs that you guys see me keep putting on. I got all of them from New York. I have not bought any new wigs yet here in Georgia, so that's that. But thank you again so much.